If you love traveling but want to save time and money while booking activities, then this guide is perfect for you. Today, I'll show you how to use Klook step by step in a very simple and beginner friendly way. Whether you're planning a trip locally or internationally, Klook helps you book tickets for attractions, transport, tours, and more all in one place. First, download the Klook app from the Play Store or App Store, or simply visit their website. Once you open it, sign up using your email, phone number, or social media account. After logging in, you'll see a search bar on the home page. Here, type the destination you are traveling to, for example, Bali, Dubai, or Singapore. Once you select your destination, you'll see a list of activities like theme parks, city tours, airport transfers, and even SIM cards. Next, click on any activity that interests you. You'll find detailed information such as price, inclusions, timings, reviews, and photos. Always read the description carefully so you know exactly what you're booking. After that, select your preferred date, number of people, and any additional options if available. Then, tap on Book Now. Now comes the payment step. Klook supports multiple payment methods like credit, debit cards, digital wallets, and sometimes even local payment options. Enter your details and confirm the booking. Once your payment is successful, you'll receive a confirmation voucher in the app as well as on your email. This voucher is very important. You'll need to show it at the location, either digitally or printed. Another useful feature of Klook is the My Bookings section where you can track all your reservations. Some bookings also offer instant confirmation, while others may take a little time, so keep an eye on your email. You can also check for discounts, promo codes, and deals on the homepage to save more money. In short, using Klook is very easy. Sign up, search your destination, choose an activity, book it, and show your voucher. It's a great platform for travelers who want convenience and good deals in one place. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more easy travel guides. See you in the next video.